Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a Minecraft server from scratch? Well, that's exactly what we're doing in this series. Over the next few episodes, we'll be building a complete Minecraft server, from setting up the network and configuring plugins to creating custom features, and eventually launching it for players. Today is day 1, and our goal is to get the server network up and running using Velocity. So, first, visit the PaperMC website to download the Velocity software. Under here, you can download other versions of Velocity too, but we're going for the latest one. Save it in the folder where we're going to set up our server. For now, it's the video server folder. After that, we're going to create folders for our other worlds, like lobby, world, and others. Then we're going to use paper for our lobby for now, as it's much more stable than vanilla, and we can use plugins for more configuration. So, to download it, visit the PaperMC website and download the paper software. We're going to use version 1.21.11 for this video, so it can be found under the other build section. Now download it and save it in the folder that we created. Until it gets downloaded, let's set up our Velocity bridge. So, to do that, run the Velocity jar file once that we downloaded earlier. But keep in mind, you'll need Java 17 or greater. I personally use Java 21. You can download it from Oracle's website according to your system preference. After running the jar file, you'll see that we got two files, velocity.toml and forwarding.secret. Open the forwarding.secret file in Notepad and copy the text inside it. Then open the velocity.toml file and check the bind port. By default, it's 0.0.0.0:25565. That is your localhost port where the Velocity server will be hosted. You can change online mode to false to make the server cracked. Here are the different types of forwarding modes, but we'll use modern because it's for Minecraft 1.13 and above. Also, don't change this file name. It should remain exactly the same. Oh. Let me just change it to modern. If you want, you can read the descriptions of all the forwarding modes. Now scroll down to here. Here we're going to set up our different servers. So, our first server is lobby. Here, 127.0.0.1 is the localhost IP, and we'll change the port to 25566, because 25565 is already being used by our Velocity server. Then, in the try block, add the name of the server that Velocity will try next if the first server fails. This forcehost section isn't needed, so you can just delete it. Now save and close it. Now open the lobby folder and, similarly, run the paper jar file. It might take some time, depending on your PC. After running it, you'll get these files. Open eula.txt and change it to true. Then open server.properties, search for online mode, and change it to false to make it cracked. Now open the folder in terminal. Before that, for convenience, we're going to rename this file to lobby.jar. Then open terminal and run this command. Here, XMS means the minimum amount of memory used to start the server, and XMX means the maximum amount of memory the server can use. So, I'm going to use 2 GB as the minimum and 10 GB as the maximum. Also, write the name of the jar file here. The no-GUI flag means we're not going to use any graphical interface. You can check out the GUI if you want. It's not that great, but you can have a look. After that, let it run. Don't worry about the error. You won't get that error. I'll explain later why I got it, but don't worry. Now, after running it, stop the server. Open the config folder and then open paperglobal.yml. Here, scroll down to proxies. Under Velocity, change enable to true, and change online mode to false to make it cracked. Most importantly, paste the secret key here that we copied at the very beginning of the video. Now it's all set up. Let's just run the servers now. Let me just rename the velocity.jar file. Okay, done. Now open terminal and run the Velocity server with the same command, but allocate less RAM to the Velocity bridge. After that, let's run the paper server. But wait. We did miss something. Oh, wait. We didn't change the server port of our lobby server. So, to do that, go to server.properties and change the server port to 25566, just like we set it in velocity.toml. After that, run the server. Let's join the server and test it out. In the IP address field, type localhost to join the server. Let's give ourselves OP permission. And yeah, as you can see, it's working properly. That wraps up episode 1 of building my Minecraft server from scratch. Today, we got the network started with Velocity and set up our first backend server. In the next episode, we'll start installing the essential plugins and continue building the server. If you'd like to follow the entire journey from the very beginning, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching.